You won't believe how much fruit can actually grow on a single tree.
Check out this little guy. He's so excited to show us his giant jackfruits.
Look at these clusters. They grow directly from the trunk because they get so heavy. The texture is unlike anything else, super spiky on the outside, but legendary on the inside.
It feels like a literal fruit jungle in here. Everywhere you turn, there's another giant hanging.
I even saw bags around them to protect the fruit while they ripen to that perfect gold.